In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an image with Canva AI in just a few simple steps. This is a super easy way to generate custom images without needing any design experience, and it can save you a lot of time when you need visuals for social media, presentations, thumbnails, or content creation. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the left-hand menu and click on Canva AI. This is where Canva's AI tools are located, and it's the place you'll use to generate images from simple text prompts. After that, select the image option. This tells Canva that you want it to create an image rather than another type of AI output. Now comes the fun part. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want Canva to generate. For example, you could type something like, create an image of a beach. You can also be more specific if you want better results, such as create an image of a tropical beach at sunset with palm trees and soft waves. The more detail you give Canva, the better the image usually turns out. So if you have a clear vision, try to include colors, mood, style, and any important objects in your prompt. Once you've typed your prompt, wait for Canva AI to generate the image. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your request and your internet connection. As Canva works, it will create one or more image options based on your description. When the results appear, take a moment to review them and choose the one that fits your project best. After the image has been generated, hover over it with your mouse. You should see a download icon appear. Click that download icon to save the image to your device. If needed, you can then use that image in your design, upload it to another project, or keep it for later use. And that's it. You've now learned how to create an image with Canva AI quickly and easily. It's a great feature when you need fast custom visuals without starting from scratch. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.